Namaskar, and it's an honor to welcome my artist community because this is one of the most celebrated events of Lalit Kala Academy. And to be able to stand here and host it year after year, Lalit Kala just doesn't feel proud because we are managing to bring in young and upcoming artists to the world. बिकॉज अगर ये प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं होता तो जो यंग और अपकमिंग है उनको देखने के लिए बहुत कम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैं जो एक्चुअली इस अटेम्प्ट को कोशिश भी करती हैं कि जो हमारे कलाकार हैं जो यंग हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं. सो नेशनल एग्जीबिशन हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन अ प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर द यंग एंड ऑल्सो अ रिकग्निशन फॉर द सीनियर आर्टिस्ट. इट्स बीन टू वेज. इट्स बीन डूइंग अ ग्रेट ऑनर टू आर्ट पिटालिया. और ये एक गैदरिंग है, ये एक सेलिब्रेशन है जिसमें हम आप लोगों से हर साल मिलते हैं. सो मेमोरीज रिफ्रेश होती हैं. सो आई वुड लाइक टू वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू, आर पार्टिसिपेंट्स, एंड फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट ऑफ कोर्स आर चीफ गेस्ट फॉर टुडे, श्री प्रियांक दरोज जी. ही इज़ अ नेम हु नीड्स नो इंट्रोडक्शन. आई थिंक जैसे हम लोगों का जो कला से संगम होता है उसमें अगर आज की डेट में हम द मिनट वी टॉक अबाउट सिरामिक आर्टिस्ट, the first name that comes to any art commercials or any artist name is P.R. Daroje. So thank you so much, sir, for bringing Indian art to international platform. I think आपका काम है सब जगह जहाँ भी हम अपनी नज़र मोड़ें. Your murals can be found everywhere, and they're just a brilliant reminder how good an Indian artist can and what he can do with his hands. So thank you, and we are really happy and glad to have you here, and it's an honor to host you. एंड जस्ट एज आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट ललित कला यंग एंड अपकमिंग को देखती है तो दरोज सर का हमारा रिलेशनशिप आज का नहीं है. ही इज़ ऑल्सो बिन वन ऑफ द स्कॉलर्स इन द फर्स्ट बैच ऑफ ललित कला स्कॉलरशिप. सो इट्स अ रिलेशनशिप विच इज़ बिल्ड ऑन फ्रॉम years and years of association, and it's great to have you here now as a senior and eminent artist and our chief guest, sir. So thank you very much, and also I would like to welcome our senior artist Amrut Patel, sir, I can see in front, and also many others whom I will not be able to identify in the crowd, and we have art historians and our curator Sushma Banerjee, also been our Trinal director, last Trinal director. So it's brilliant to have you, to have you here and to welcome you, and it's an honor for me, as I said. And we have around 270 artworks on display. And just like we started last year, this year also we have the sale of artwork on. And it's a real proud moment because there are already sold tags on works before the show has opened. So I think it is the way the audience are accepting and appreciating the works that have been selected. It just shows that it is the quality of works that have been chosen by the jury. And we're really grateful to our jury members also, both the tires. It's Herculean task because to go through 6 to 7,000 works within a span of 3 to 4 days, that is the first jury's work, and to be transparent, to be like I would say the most clean of heart to choose the best is like one of the hardest jobs that I have seen Lalit Kala go through every day. And every